Hi boys and girls, our target is about making connections. And right now we're going to be making a connection between one book and another book. Here is our anchor chart for today, making connections. The other day we read the story Wumberly Worried. And when we read this, we talked about how Wumberly worried pretty much about everything. Then you watched a video today about Ira sleeping over. And you're going to notice about what did happen with Ira. What is the same that happened with Wumberly that happened with Ira? So what we have, I want you to take this out. This is our next thing we're going to do that's in our packet. And it says text-to-text connections. As you're going to notice, I didn't do this one to give you an example because now I want to see if you can do this by yourself. This is Wumberly Worried is on this side. And then Ira sleeps over on this side. What happens with Wumberly that's kind of the same with Ira? I want you to draw me a picture. And if you want to write a sentence, you can for both sides. If you don't want to, that's fine. But at least you have to make sure you're telling me a picture how this is the same to this. Okay, it's called a text-to-text connection. How are they similar? Okay, boys and girls, when you're finished with this, please take a picture and put it on Class Dojo. All right, make some connections.